guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to review on Just Herb mini lipstick. It comes in the cute little cardboard and there's 16 shades. These lipsticks are made up of ghee and sesame oil. The benefits go into the undermost layer of the skin. It's ideal for people who are starting out of using lipstick or have minimal use, so they don't have to repeat the same shades. I love the matte effects it gives and easy to remove as well.
It has lovely colors and gives a smooth texture. This mini set has nude, chocolate and berry colors. But one drawback is that the lid lock is not tight enough and tends to come off on its own. But the best part is there is no harmful chemicals. It goes well for daily use as well.
The price of these lipsticks are $5.75 and there's 16 shades. So let's go and watch the swatches of these lipsticks. Don't forget to like, share and leave your valuable comments in the comment section. Bye guys.